Hey, in the book. What's going on?
Are you okay? Are you okay?
I don't know. He just
Joking, huh?
yeah. He's joking on something.
Just plug in the top to the bottom, as long as we have this x q of a is not zero condition. So we'll see that in a bit. So here's an example.
My dog.
So use this theorem to evaluate the limit of this rational function. So a rational function, by the way, is just a ratio of two polynomials. So one polynomial over another polynomial. So that's what we mean by rational functions. And so you notice that we've got one polynomial over another polynomial. Now the only thing I need to check again is this condition: q of a is not zero. If q of a is not zero, this